Here's another Willie Doo Willie Doo story. Oh man. Teenager finally achieves her dream of dating Godzilla. I just have to let that one sit there for a moment because when you hear it, the headline. Hopefully, I mean, if you're just listening to this right now, you're like, wait, what?
There's pictures.
Teenager finally achieves her dream of dating Godzilla. Yes, we have pictures, video, and GIFs. This is coming via Kotaku. This is I believe she's 13 years old. She is obsessed with Godzilla. She has a bunch of statues and various memorabilia. And so she wrote to a local television show asking to go on a date with Godzilla, which was her dream. She is a junior high school student. She was at her family home, and Godzilla showed up for an actual date, which they had. And her grandfather went along on the date to chaperone, and they had lunch together. It's a man in a suit, Will.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's not actually Godzilla. It's a man in a costume. Imagine being the guy hired to be in that costume all day on the fake date. What a weird experience.
Yeah.
Way weirder for him than for her.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it an adult? She's 13.
Yeah.
It's an adult. Are you mad at my analysis? I just have to think about these things.
Yeah. No, I mean, he's probably a professional. Or
yes.
Whoever's inside, a girl, a guy.
A professional
maybe
what?
Amusement park.
Right.
Maybe they dress up as Godzilla or another mascot in that case, just to have experience.
It is a fairly detailed type of suit that he's wearing there. She seems to have loved it. She gave him a kiss at the end as well. She gave Godzilla a kiss at
under the sunset.
Yeah, it's a very, very strange. Could the whole thing be fake?
Probably.
It could be.
Yeah,
but
based on her collection, I mean, it's
you got Vin's attention over there, Will.
Apparently, she has a big collection.
Yeah, but you could set all that up. I don't know. I guess it's possible. Look, it's possible. Anything is possible. There's a lot of people on the planet. Vin says you got to put an end to the relationship, though, because it can't continue.
Yeah.
Well, obviously, it can't continue. Godzilla it's not Godzilla. It's a man in a suit, Vin. So it obviously can't continue. But, well, whatever it takes. I mean, it looks like they had a fun day, so I don't know. Whatever. Everybody's happy about it.
Yeah, for sure.